All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad mass problem. Okay, we are asked to find x raised to the power 2 plus 4 raised to the power 25x is equal to 2 raised to the power 101. Okay, now this is same as saying x squared plus this is 2 raised to the power 2, then raised to the power 25. You attach your x, okay, is equal to 2 raised to the power. This is same as saying 51 plus 50. Okay, so this is same as x raised to the power 2 plus 2 raised to the power 50. You can attach your x, okay, is equal to 2 raised to the power 51 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 50. Okay, now this is x squared plus 2 raised to the power 50. If I say 2 minus 1 is still 1, okay, I add x. 2 minus 1 is still 1. 1 times everything is still giving me this, so I did not change anything. Is equal to 2 raised to the power 51 dot 2 raised to the power 50. Okay, now let us clear the bracket. You know that 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power 1, so therefore I'm having that x squared plus this time this will give you 2 raised to the power 50 plus 1 according to indices, which is 51. Okay, 2 raised to the power 51, then you attach the x there, then this time this one will give you minus 2 raised to the power 50. You still attach the x there, okay, is equal to 2 raised to the power 51 dot 2 raised to the power 50. Okay, so this is now x squared plus 2 raised to the power 51. You attach your x minus 2 raised to the power 50 you attach your x, then minus these people coming here. I have 2 raised to the power 51 dot 2 raised to the power 50, okay, is equal to 0. Now let us factorize something. This will have something in common, so I'm going to have this is x in bracket of x plus 2 raised to the power 50. Okay, this time this is giving me this time this is giving me this. Now these people, they have something in common. They have minus 2 raised to the power 50 in common. So when this divided by this, I'm left with x here, okay, then plus when this divided by this, I'm left with 2 raised to the power okay, sorry, here is 51, not 50, 51. So I'm left 2 raised to the power 51. So that minus times plus is minus. This time this is still giving me this is equal to 0. Okay, so when we have this, we can still factor something out. We factor something out. What we are factoring out is what? That x plus what? 2 raised to the power 51 is what they have in common. Then what is left here is now x minus 2 raised to the power 50, okay, is equal to 0. Now when the product of two things is equal to 0, automatically one of them must be 0. So we have that x plus 2 raised to the power 51 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 raised to the power 50 is equal to 0. So finally we have it that x is equal to minus 2 raised to the power 51, or x is equal to what? 2 raised to the power 50. So that is the answer. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment. We love you.